Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we'll be doing the project overview of Kavisha the Portrait, which is located in Shela, Ahmedabad, a project by Kavisha Group. And in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before that, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey है क्या? Housey इंडिया का पहला रियल एस्टेट प्लेटफॉर्म है जो आपको कनेक्ट करता है सीधे डेवलपर्स के साथ, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, आपका contact share हो जाता है multiple brokers के साथ, which will result in too many phone calls. But you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders because Housey में listing brokers नहीं builders करते. So यहाँ वहाँ जाना छोड़िए and book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. So this project has been constructed in total 3.8 acres of land parcel with total 9 towers. With all the towers of ground plus 12 floors having 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss the location parts of this project is located in Shela, Ahmedabad near Club 07. About the further connectivities of the project.
Bhopal Guma Road is 2.5 kilometers away. Guraguma Railway Station 3.4 kilometer and TRP Mall Bhopal is 4.6 kilometers away from the project.
Now coming to the amenities part. So this project provides you luxurious amenities like of swimming pool, clubhouse, senior citizen sit out area, garden area, kids play area and many more. Now let's discuss about the super built up area. As mentioned, this project provides you 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK premium residencies with 3 BHK starting from 2160 to 2405 square feet, 4 BHK starting from 2885 to 3460 square feet and 5 BHK is 5500 square feet super built up area. Now coming to the booking process. So project booking window is open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the sample flight along with it. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential project that is Kavisha the Portrait, which is located in Shela, Ahmedabad by Kavisha Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.